Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions for developers using Git. Should you use Rebase or merge? We'll break down what each command does and give you clear guidance on choosing the right strategy for your projects. Before we talk about merging or rebasing, let's quickly review what a branch is. Think of a branch as your own personal workspace. It's a separate line of development that lets you work on new features or fix bugs without disrupting the main, stable version of your code, which is usually called the main branch. So, what happens when you're done with your feature and want to bring it into the main branch? One way is to use merge. The git merge command takes all the commits from your feature branch and combines them with the main branch. It creates a special, new commit called a merge commit. This new commit acts as a record, showing exactly where your feature branch was integrated back into the main line of development. Merging preserves the history of your branch exactly as it happened. Now let's look at the other option, rebase. Rebasing is like saying, I want to take all the work I did on my feature branch and pretend I started it from the very latest point of the main branch. It takes your commits and reapplies them, one by one, on top of the main branch's latest commit. This process rewrites your branch's history, but the result is a clean, straight line of commits. It makes the project history look much simpler. Let's put them side by side. Merging preserves history as it was, creating a merge commit to tie everything together. This gives you a complete, but sometimes complex, graph of how branches were developed. Rebasing, on the other hand, rewrites history to create a simple, linear timeline. It eliminates the need for merge commits, which keeps the history looking clean and tidy, but you lose some context about when branches were originally created. So, when is merging the right choice? Merging is perfect for teamwork. When you need to combine work from multiple developers on shared branches, merging is the safest option because it doesn't rewrite history. It's also the standard choice when you're bringing a finished and approved feature into the main production branch. If keeping a precise, unaltered record of development is important, merge is the way to go. What about rebase? Rebasing is fantastic for your personal, local workflow. Before you share your work with others, you can use Rebase to clean up your commit history. For example, you can squash several small, messy commits into one clear, concise commit. It's also useful for updating your feature branch with the latest changes from the main branch without cluttering your history with merge commits. This is the most important takeaway for rebasing. You should never, ever rebase a branch that is public or shared with other developers. Because Rebase rewrites history, it creates new commits. If your teammates have the old commits and you push the new ones, it can lead to massive confusion and repository problems. Only rebase branches that you are the sole user of. To sum it all up, the choice depends on your goal. Choose merge when you need to preserve history and are working on shared branches. It's safe, and it tells the true story of the project's development. Choose Rebase when you want to keep the project history clean and linear. It's perfect for tidying up your own local commits before you merge them into a shared branch. Many teams use a combination of both.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.